trusted source, your insider access to the hottest and most anticipated automobiles coming up. This right here is the 2020 Corvette. People are going absolutely crazy. There's so much speculation online, but I promise you, if you stay on this channel, watch these videos, you'll get nothing but the truth. Look at this beautiful car, dipped interior, all natural dipped. This is a 3LT, every option, beautiful car. Stay tuned to more videos. This week is important. Why? Production starts on the very first C8 mid-engine Corvette. People are going absolutely crazy over this car. A lot of speculation out there. Keep watching our channel to get the absolute truth.